Here's a good art attack, and it's great fun to do. Just take 5 or 6 photos. Now, they don't have to be great shots of anything in particular, but the funnier the better, because the idea is to turn them into a story. How? With a photo story frame. Look at this. This one's called Day of the Dog.
I'm sure I can hear something.
Suddenly...
Coming through! Out of my way! Oh no, please don't hurt me.
But it was the fine cake Bonzo was after. Full tummy. The end! Good, eh? And it's simple to make in 4 easy parts. A 4-part attack. For the first part, you need to pick 6 photos. Then, turn them into a story by using speech bubbles and action boxes. Now, the way to create a story is to think about what goes in the bubbles. What are the characters saying or doing? In this one, well, it looks like he's looking at something above him, so maybe he can be saying, "What's that up in the sky?" And in this one, it looks like they're big and they're looking down, so they could be saying, "It's us, the Laughing Giants." Now, the story doesn't need to be complicated, it just needs to be funny. And when you've got a rough idea, you'll know how many speech bubbles and action boxes you'll need. To make speech bubbles, take some cardboard box card and draw an oval shape with a little pointy bit to show who's talking. Cut it out and paint it white. Then write on whatever the characters are saying in black pen. This one's saying, "Quick, run, ag!" You can also make rectangular instruction boxes, zigzag ones for loud voices, and cloud shapes for thinking bubbles. OK, so how's our story going? It was an ordinary day, but then... Ooh, what's that up in the sky? It's us, the Laughing Giants. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, quick, run, ah! Looking good so far, but before you stick any of this down, you need to make a frame. Arrange your photos at jaunty angles onto a large piece of cardboard box card in the order of your story. Draw around them in pencil and use the pencil marks as a guide for your frames. Draw the line for your frames a little inside your guidelines. Make the frame any shape you like as long as it's within these guidelines. And when you're happy, cut the inside of the frames out. Now, the easiest way to cut a shape out of the middle of your work is to punch a hole with a sharp pencil into some modelling clay. This then allows you to get your scissors in, and it makes cutting out a lot easier. When you've cut them all out, paint your frame. I'm starting here with white. And when you finish painting your frame and it's dry, you'll have something like this. And I've gone round all of the shapes with a white border and put in a grey background, and I've added on some detail in black pen just to make everything stand out and look a lot more comic-like. Now all you need to do is put everything together. Turn your frame over and tape your photos into place, making sure they're in the right order. Then turn it back over and arrange all your speech bubbles and action boxes to make your story. Sticking them halfway onto the photo looks good. And don't forget to make sure the pointy bits of the speech bubbles are coming from the right person. And when you're happy with the position of everything, glue them down. And when it's all done, there you have your photo story. And if you like, you can paint and cut out a title for your story and glue that on too. This is called A Giant Adventure. It was an ordinary day, but then... What's that up in the sky? It's us, the Laughing Giants. Oh, oh, oh. Quick, run! Ah! But then, if only a hero could save us. Time for me to turn into Super Pirate.
Car me hearty. Ha ha!
And the giants ran away. Quick, Leggy. The end.
And even if you don't want to create a story, a photo story frame is a great way of livening up any photos you have. And you could do any comic style you like. How about a spooky Halloween comic? Or even a holiday summertime special photo frame. Try it yourself. Turn some random photos into a story and make a photo story frame.